We got 5 nice ones. I'll get these moved. Get these out of here and you know, just have a quick look and make sure they're not making any humpies or anything like that. So yeah, I put a new blade on there, so I've only cut a couple of big logs now. 3, I guess. And yeah, we got the biggest 2 coming up here. Make a nice bunch of boards. But I didn't go unload my trailer yet. Tried to rain 7 times, but didn't rain very much. Lots of wind and stuff, you know. If you're looking out there, the old trees are just flopping like crazy. But yeah, just time to shut her down and go make something to eat. So see you guys later. I had to quit because it was supper time. Oh, this one's heavy. This one's heavy. It's green. It's green can be this one. Become a little crooked because that's the way they want to roll. Yeah, that one fills the deck up a little more. So that'll make a few boards. A little bit of taper, but not too bad. So yeah, 13¼ 13½. So I should be able to get a nice 10-inch cant. Pretty close. Yeah, maybe 9½ by 10. That'll make the right cut. We'll cut a couple this way, and then maybe this way once, and then 1/8. So once the cuts we cut, we'll be able to trim, and they should be able to make 1/8. So be a second cut boards, but not right now. Yeah, we'll lift it and put a shim. I use this 4x4 to get a little more leverage and still be close enough to put the shim under it. Just lift the tree with my knee on the board, and it actually lifts up pretty easy with no big struggle. Easier ways to do things. Don't break your back. But we're not going to cut this today. We're going to just leave it rest for a day. I have a big pile of lumber to pile, but I don't want to take it out here because it keeps showering, so we'll get this lumber all piled before I do any more milling. So, hope you guys enjoyed the videos. If you enjoy these kind of videos, please like, subscribe, and come along. And I've got a few more milling videos, got a few logs here, and then I have a place where I might go out and pick up some. They were cut last year, kids got them down, and they'll have some ants in them probably, so it's not perfect lumber for, you know, you gotta let it dry out. It's not totally dry, so you gotta work with what you have. And so just a nice afternoon breeze is nice. I didn't get wet. I got a nice roof over me. Yeah, I got a nice bunch of lumber done, but I'm gonna go in, check the emails, say hi to some of you guys. So if you like to comment, you have questions, shoot a question. I mean, I'm just I'm a beginner at this, so it's all new to me. The last couple of years I've been just playing with it, build a couple of sheds, buildings, siding the cabin, that kind of thing. So I got a pretty good eye for 1 inch, or whether it's 1 1/8. So, but get the odd board that's just off a bit, but use a scale. Usually you can zip down through them and get them right on. So thank you guys all for coming along, and thanks to all the new subscribers as well. Don't be afraid to leave a comment if you have a question. I have a few followers that have some questions or just like to say hi. So don't forget to thumbs up if you like them, and we'll catch you guys all again. Yeah, we got a few to pile. we'll show you when we get finished up. 8-footers, so this pile's all 10-foot. But I've got more bigger logs that are going to make more 1x8, so I'll be stacking that pile up a little more, and then we'll have some 1x6. So we'll kind of mix it. Got a little milling to do, but I think I only have about eight logs left. Well, we went to the lumber yard. Got some of what we need here. Well, we'll see if we can put something together. Done. One more. Just got to turn it around. Cut a couple feet off. Yeah, the easiest way to just balance it around, and no sense fighting with it. These ones are pretty heavy. Cut that one at 86. I got in the pitch. They're one of my garden gloves, I guess. That looks pretty good. One more to go. That looks pretty good. Well, I quit. Time to call it a night. Got the garden all watered up. We had 2 little rain showers in the last week, but dries up within a couple hours. Can't even tell it rained. So just put her away here with things. Hopefully we don't get evacuated out of here like a lot of people have, but we just keep our ears open and eyes open. She's a little smoky. The sun's going down over the shop and she's pretty smoky. Well, it's going to look something like that. We're just going to build 3 more walls. Okay. Come on, hand it in. Hand it in. It'll be hard. We'll give it a couple more. We'll give it a couple more. There. That's good. That's good. Now you put one in the bottom. Well, I needed one more building. So, looks like she's sitting pretty straight. So, we got a little more to add to it before we build rafters. Slowly I'm tearing things out. I'm going to rip all that planter out and that tree. I'll take that all out of there and get rid of it. So you'll see some renos happening, some improvements, getting rid of the old, fixing it up a little better. That stuff lasted me for quite a few years. Well, now it's time to make it a little nicer. So I just want to get the top plates here to strengthen it up, and because I only have a center beam here, I'm not putting studding 2 feet apart. I'm going to triple plate the top. Well, I've got a 6.5 foot span between here and here, so I'm going to just triple plate the top of it, and you'll see how the rest of it goes. It's sunny, warm, but it's windy today. Last night we had 50 km/h winds, and still gusting, I think, to 30, 35. So, got to take it easy, but a little at a time. Right? I guess it is. What we need. Oh, yeah, pretty nice, quiet. You see what I have up there? It's quiet. It all runs off the sun. Solar powered. No more generator running when I'm outside building. With post. Don't like my ladder. Oh, she's right on. Now let's set the ladder on there. Kind of straight. A couple more screws in the corner. We'll decide. First layer done. Well, we're gonna just get at it. Catch up with you guys in a little bit.